You've got your favorite coffee machine and you're ready to take it on your next flight. But is it actually allowed? Let's brew up the details. Here's the scoop. Small coffee machines, like single-serve models or drip brewers, are generally allowed in your carry-on or checked baggage. However, you'll need to keep a few things in mind. Be prepared for a bit of extra screening. The TSA might want to take a closer look, so make sure it's clean and easily accessible. Now, if you're thinking about using it on the plane, think again. Most airlines don't offer power outlets at every seat, so your coffee machine might just stay packed away. Also, remember that even if you have an outlet, using your coffee machine might be against airline policies. It's best to enjoy your coffee at the airport or once you reach your destination. Packing it in your checked baggage? That's an option too. Just make sure it's well protected with padding. You don't want it getting knocked around and ending up as a coffee-flavored disaster. If you're set on brewing your coffee while you travel, consider a travel-sized coffee maker or a French press. They're more portable and often easier to pack. Plus, they're less likely to cause a stir with airport security. So, can you bring a coffee machine on a plane? Yes, but with a few limitations. Pack it wisely, check the airline's policies, and maybe save the brewing for when you land. Thanks for watching. Got more travel questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. And remember, coffee first, adventures second.